Hello and welcome to this project. Today I'll be teaching you how to code. Now we are going to use something called a text editor. Now a text editor is an application for which we use to write code. And we are going to be using Visual Studio Code, which was made by Microsoft. Now it is a lightweight editor, but it's very powerful due to the extensions that we use. So I will enter into my browser. This is the Visual Studio Code website. For Windows, you pick this. And for Mac, you pick this. Windows, pick this. And Linux, you pick this. So when you install it, you follow the installation processes and then you can get it done. Okay, now I have my Studio Code open. Now, this is where you see your files when you're coding. This is search, this is the source control, this is for running and debugging, and this is the extension. So the extensions that we'll be using are one, Prettier. So Prettier, you search for it. And that is it. So I have it installed. I'll advise that you install it. It helps to format your code and make it look beautiful. Now, the next one we are going to search for is Lorem Ipsum. So this is it. I don't really have it installed, so I'll show you. You just click install. So it will say installing. So now it's done. Now, these videos, they normally teach you how the extensions work. So now we're going to the next. That is Live Server. Live Server. Live Server. So I have it installed already. And you have IntelliSense for CSS. So that is it over here. I can have live preview. So this is it. I don't really have it installed. So you see this one is from Microsoft. So you install it. Nice. So now that is done, move to the next. And any icon. So me, I use material icon. This is the one I use. It says I should update mine, so I'll update it. And when you are done installing your icon theme, you can also install any theme that you like this. Mine is a sunset theme. That's why I have the pinkish color. So you can download any one that you prefer. Okay, so that is it for today. I will see you later. Goodbye.